Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get into it today. Let's just say market's in a bearish momentum right now. It's downtrending, right? Boom. Market's giving me a lower low, lower high, and maybe it starts to consolidate for a bit, right? This is pretty natural, right? When the market is done with that bearish move, that heavy movement, sometimes it consolidates, right? So what we have to look out for, right? What we have to look out for are the starting points, which is going to be the start of the move, right? The move that starts the momentum, right? So as market's consolidating here, let's go ahead and identify. Extend. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and identify our last buying candle, right? This is this one here. Let's copy that. Boom. Change this to red. And now market's going to continue with its BOS to the downside, right? We're in a bearish momentum right now, so boom, let's go ahead. So at this point, we can already see that this last buying candle is our starting point. So if we're looking to continue with the trend, right, if it's downtrending, we're going to go ahead and locate this candle here. And this will be for the downtrend continuation, right? So as market comes back, we're looking to go ahead and take some sales off this area. Boom, we go ahead and enter, and we can go ahead and ride the wave the way market was intended on going, right? So locating our last buying candle before our bearish breakout is important, right? Does that make sense? I'm going to pull the chats out real quick. Yo, you guys could unmute. We got 22 on the call. This is a pretty small call. Yes, sir. Bet. Awesome. Cool. So let's just go ahead and draw it out. All right, this is simple drawing, something for you guys to understand. But let's go ahead and we'll just draw it out. Market's coming to our entry. Boom. We enter. We're looking to go ahead and sell the market. Market's chilling. Right, let's go ahead. Market's putting us in some blues, and we already know for downtrend BOS continuations, we got to break below that zone, right? We got to break below that zone. So let's just say market hits off this area and rejects, maybe leaves a wick. Maybe pushes all the way down here. We're thinking it's going to be another BOS continuation to the downside, but it pulls back, right? Let's just say it pulls back. Now, that's going to be our restart. As soon as we pull back, right, we already caught some momentum, and we're looking for a BOS to the downside so we can go ahead and locate our new starting point, which would have been, oh snap, this green candle right here, right? But as soon as market started to drop down with some heavy momentum and then pull back, that pullback is our restart, right? So we have to go ahead and find that momentum, right? So as market restarts, oops, let's go ahead and put that back, copy. Now the momentum starts here, boom. Now we get that bearish breakout, our BOS to the downside, right? Does that make sense? Let's go ahead and we'll label this BOS. BOS to the downside. Bottom. Let's go. Right? This makes sense? Boom. Market had a restart. Market came back to our supply zone. We caught some momentum, but it just didn't want to go ahead and continue down right now. Gave a little restart. Boom. As soon as market gave us that restart, it caught some more momentum, and this candle here becomes my new starting point. So let's just go ahead and label that, boom, SP will be your starting point. Top left, boom, awesome. So now we adjust, right? Now we adjust. Let's go ahead, boom. We've located our new starting point. So now, in order to get a BOS continuation, let's go ahead. Market's coming back towards our right shoulder, or I'm sorry, our supply zone. So now this would be our new area to get a BOS. So let's just put need BOS because it's a new one. Need BOS, right? So as market's coming up to our area, boom, let's just say it wants to go ahead and consolidate before. Let's go ahead and say it wants to consolidate, right? Market be doing that sometimes. Oh man, market be doing that sometimes. Let's go ahead. Okay, cool. So now we can go ahead. So now what I just did, and I hope you guys could just see it real quick, is I just gave us some consolidation, right? Some consolidation. Boom. Nice. So let's just say market comes back for our sell opportunity and we're able to get back in. Nice. We're selling the market right now. We're continuing with this bearish downtrend, right? Let's go ahead. Red candle. We're catching some momentum to the downside. We're catching some momentum to the downside. And then again, we need this BOS. Oops. We need this BOS. Need BOS. Right? Need BOS. What if market gets caught in consolidation again? What happens? We still gotta wait. We still gotta wait. We haven't even got our continuation to the downside. So let's just go ahead. Market gave us our breakout that we were looking for. Boom. So now, let's just say the market's done. New starting point right here. The market's done with its downtrend. The market's done with its downtrend. And we're looking to take some continuation sell opportunities, right? I know you guys can see the head and shoulder that I tried to make out for you guys, right? This would still be an opportunity, right? We're looking for sells right now, right? Let's just say market's done. Okay, let's just go ahead and adjust. We got this. BOS. Let's stay clean. Let's stay clean, right? Now let's just say, boom, market is done with its bearish move. Market's ready to go up. Boom. 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 Market is done. Market is gone. Right? Market is gone. What are we looking for now, guys? Who wants to unmute? Yep, we got one play. Yes, sir. We got one play with the violation right here. We'll just go ahead and move this. Boom. And we'll change this to gray. Actually, can I go ahead and turn this upside down? We'll change this to gray. We got one play right here with the violation. Oh, I see somebody said it. Second with the inverted. Let's go. Let's go. So we caught our violation play, right? We were looking to sell the market. Boom, we got our continuation. Market disrespects our right shoulder to continue with our sales, right? Market violates. This area would be our stop loss, right? So again, as soon as market wants to come back, we pay attention to pullbacks on the way down, right? So if we're looking for pullbacks and market just touched this area, maybe you're like, yo, honestly, I see the violation, but I'm more of an inverted head and shoulder dude, right? I want to catch the lower zone. Okay, bro, I feel you, honestly. I'm the same way. I love the inverted head and shoulder, right? But this is what we got to do. As traders, we have to set alerts, right? This right here would have been my new starting point because we had a BOS to the downside, right? We get a nice BOS to the downside. We get a pullback. Market continues with its BOS to the downside in this area. Boom. So now we have an alert right here. Now as soon as market wants to go ahead and break and close above, boom, we just broke and closed above. Right? TradingView just gave us an alert, and now we have to go ahead and mark up. So let's just take this over here. Boom. Now we're looking for this area. We're looking for this play. If you didn't get in on the first touch right here, hey, I don't blame you, bro. Honestly, I'd rather you be cautious. Rather you be cautious. Gotta be cautious, man. It's your money. Now, as soon as market comes back to this area, boom, let's go ahead and run that, because now we know market's violated. Market wants to go ahead and give us a bullish rally now. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Nice. Awesome. No way. Awesome. That's one opportunity. Now, the second opportunity is going to be the inverted. This play right here. And again, levels may help you, right? Levels may help you find these areas. Let's go ahead. We'll change this. Make this blue. Levels may help you find an area, right? We get a BOS to the downside after some consolidation. After some consolidation, maybe it gives us a nice inverted, right? So now, all we got to do is adjust. Boom. Let's go ahead. Where does our stop loss go? Who wants to unmute?
You put it. Oh yeah, you could put it at the head, or you could put it. I would usually like to put mine below the head, actually.
Below the head?
That's just me personally, because sometimes you get those equal low like you can get those double bottoms. You know what I'm saying? So like, there's nothing like whenever you get that double bottom, and it's like, oh man, that was just a perfect equal low, and then it just reverses. So that's why I favor just putting it below the head.
Yeah, that's what we do, bro. Solid. You're locked in with us, right? You're locked in with us. So if you're looking at it like an inverted, we already know that this area, boom, gave us that change of character. Change of character to the upside. Market was heading down, and it changed direction, changed character, and started heading up, right? So if you're looking at inverted, that's what you're seeing. So boom, we have the setup here. We have the setup here. Yes, this is a drawing, big stop loss. It's okay, guys. Don't panic, right? Again, as market's coming down to our entry, we always focus on pullbacks. Always focus on pullbacks. This is going to help us find our confirmation trade, right? Boom. Market's in our zone. Our closest pullback is right here. Right? So now we have to set an alert. Boom, let's set an alert. Because depending on what pair you're trading, market can literally chill. Bounce off this area, consolidate, drop lower, consolidate, drop lower. But as soon as it breaks and closes above, you're going to get that alert. And we focus on the clean structure. You don't got to worry about the mess that's in here if you don't want. Now, I know some of you guys are advanced and you guys could find that move, right? Some of you guys can find that move. But if you can't, you guys could stick to the previous structure. Your stop loss will now become this zone here. Let's go ahead and change that color. Make that a little thick. This was our alert. Boom. So now as soon as we get this confirmation that market wants to go ahead and continue up to the upside, we now are waiting for our second entry. Boom. Let's go ahead and take that up. So we can go ahead and stack. Because your first touch, the first touch right here, this first touch right here may just be your test trade. Should be, right? under leveraging. You're testing this area. This area, the one, is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold? Right? And then as soon as we get the answers we're looking for, boom, let's go ahead, wait for the confirmation in this area so we can go ahead and enter with the heavier lot that suits our trading account. Does that make sense? Give me a 5 if that makes sense. And give me a question mark if you're lost, but go ahead and unmute and tell me what got you lost. Nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And you can even see, and I try to make drawings. Yeah, go ahead, Miguel.
Hey Vinny, my question was that area that you just removed where it said a starting point. Wouldn't you consider that area to be the change of character because it's an area that pushed the market lower?
Now, I know Oren likes to, bro, but for me, I still like the higher time frame structure. This right here is going to be lower time frame, right? Maybe 1 hour, 4 hour, and this area right here can be the daily / weekly, right? So yes, this is going to be a change of character in this area. Trust it, bro. That is the change of character in this area, right? But we still have this right shoulder here.
Okay, I gotcha.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, and I try to draw drawings as perfect as I can for you guys, and I leave things here so you guys can see that, because yes, that would have been a break, and we can go ahead. That could be a retest. Right. So, again, I like to stay with the trend, because still this is area option number 1, right? Or I guess option number 2. Our break and retest would be option number 1, right? Let's go ahead. I'm just going to draw this down here a little bit. Shoulder, head, change of character. Now, option 1 is going to be break and retest. And I'm talking about this example here, right? Break and retest. And then option 2, what pair is that? This is the drawing, bro. That's how you know it's good. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so look. Option 1, break and retest. Option 2, and I'm talking about this drawing here, can be this starting point. Boom. This starting point to the downside. And what if it doesn't change character? What if it continues to consolidate? Well, then it may just come back for our right shoulder. And I'm still talking about this right here. Does that make sense, Miguel?
Yes, sir. It makes sense. Thank you.
Awesome. Now, everybody, does that make sense? You guys need me to explain that real quick? Actually, let me just explain that real quick. Another way. Maybe somebody got lost, and honestly, that's okay. So, let's go ahead. We're not even going to worry about this right now. I'm not even going to worry about that. Oh, shoot. It's a good question. It's a good question. So, again, we're focusing on taking sell opportunities because market is downtrending, right? Our stop loss will be in this area because we're looking for sell continuations. Throwing a little wick right there, right? So we just got our change of character to the downside, right? Our BOS to the downside. So we're looking for 2 opportunities. We're gonna go ahead and mark up our shoulder area. I'm sorry, 3 opportunities. Our neckline for the break and retest, and our starting point. So you know how sometimes market will come up, throw a wick, and not touch my shoulder? It's because it's coming for this starting point, and then it's taking it down. So we just got a rejection off our break and retest, which did give an entry. It just didn't give us the drop that we're all looking for, right? Market comes up a little higher, touches our starting point, aka the supply zone, and it respects that and then drops. But that still means we still have this last entry left. So even though this was taken, we can go ahead and remove that. And this was taken, we can go ahead and remove that. We still have this last entry here. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're going to set an alert. Boom. This is my alert. This is my alert right here. So when market comes back up and touches this, boom, we in there like swimwear. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yep.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. That's why I love mixing levels and smart money concepts, because when you really study it and backtest it, all three of these zones get touched and get respected very, very well. So that's why you either test trade those areas, or wait for the change of character off those areas. So let me go ahead and take it back real quick. If you're going to test trade it, cool, be my guest, right? But again, we pay attention to pullback. So boom, market touched this area. Where's my closest pullback? Right here. Boom, I got to set an alert. I got to. This is my alert. So when market breaks and closes below, boom, we just got confirmation. Let's go ahead and take that. Give me a 1 if that makes sense. Awesome. 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 Now let's just say market doesn't respect that break and retest. It's like, nah, we're gonna go for something a little higher, Boom, touches our supply zone, touches our starting point, and then we get, oops, running a little ahead. This is my closest pullback. As soon as market gets this, boom, let's go ahead and look for our sell opportunity. Maybe we didn't enter at the first touch right here, but as soon as we got this break and close below, we can now go ahead and look for our sell opportunity. Same thing goes for our right shoulder, right? If market doesn't respect any of these things, it's just gonna keep going. Boom, it touches. Where's my closest pullback? Right here. So as soon as we could just delete. These weren't even respected, right? We could just delete. These weren't even respected. Clean up your chart. As soon as market breaks and closes below, boom, we just got confirmation. And again, maybe you didn't enter on the first touch, right? Maybe you like to wait, and that's perfectly fine. Boom, let's go ahead and find that entry so we can go ahead and sell the market. Give me a 1 if this makes sense. Let's go. Can we go ahead and look for some examples on the chart now?
Yeah.
Let's go. Is there? All right, let me go ahead. Let's refresh. Let's go. Someone give me a pair. Let's look at some stuff. Someone give me a pair, man. What are you guys looking at?
Yeah.
AU?
AU or JPY.
Yeah.
CAD JPY.
Crystal,
The
what
yens are giving nice structure.
Hey, the yens are giving nice structure though. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to some daily. Higher time frame. Yo, look at this, bro. Look at this, guys. It's all about being patient, guys. Look at this real quick before we even get to current market structure. Check me out. Market drops down, gives me a low. Pulls back, gives me a lower high. Now we drop lower with the wick, but where's my closest pullback on this time frame? It's right here. Boom. Market has to break and close above that in order for me to be like, okay, market wants to continue buying. Right? We need change of character. Let's go ahead. Need change of character. Boom. As soon as market breaks and closes above that, we can go ahead and look for this zone for buys. And this zone right here will be my stop. So let's just go ahead and wait. Look at all this consolidation. Can you have gotten in a move to buy the market up? Yes, you could have. But we're looking at the daily right now, right? Boom. Look at that's not a change of character yet. They're playing with that zone. They're testing it. Boom. They just broke above. As soon as we break above, we can go ahead and stretch this out to use it as a buy area. Now look at that respect. And again, we're on the daily, but I'm still gonna mark it up the same. We're close to a 1-to-1. If we can go ahead and enter this right shoulder area, that's pretty much that 1-to-1 area. I mean, honestly, we should already be at break even. I gotta be real, right? But I'm talking about on the daily. We should all stay the same. Every time frame is the same, right? But let's just go ahead and drop down and see what could we have caught in this area right here. So where's our closest pullback? We know that we're looking to buy right in this area, right? Maybe you don't even get in. It's okay. Shoot, market. Sometimes the yen can be a little toxic, but where's our closest pullback? Who wants to go ahead and annotate? Who wants to hop on a one-on-one real quick? Or unmute. All right, let's just go ahead and break it down.
Sorry, I'm in my car right now. Where's ask me again?
Where's
We'll
our
figure it out.
closest pullback? This is our entry, right? Where's our closest pullback to our entry?
Closest pullback to your entry? I don't
Yeah.
know, because the one above it.
Yeah, right here, right here, right? So if we can go ahead and wait for a break and close above. Boom, we just got a break and close above. So now we can go ahead and use this area for buy opportunities. We were literally just short, just shy. But I would still be waiting for this area. I would still be waiting. We're just shy. And if you're looking at the break and close of the starting point, the violation of the starting point, well then you get in. You get in. Right? But in my eyes, we can still see that this is consolidation. And then we come back and it gets trapped up in consolidation again. So I would have liked it to break and close above and then come back for me. But this is still nice market structure. Still nice market structure. But look, and that's just off the right shoulder. Right? That's just off the right shoulder. Krista, where is your starting point to the upside? Where's your break of structure?
Sorry, I'm in my car.
I know she's driving too.
I'm
I
sorry.
just know you're down to mute. No, that's cool. So if this is our rally, where's our starting point? This is our rally right here. Boom.
Last selling candle.
Let's go. Last selling candle. Thank you for participating. Boom. Market comes back inside this area. Plays around. Makes you emotional. But nonetheless, this is your entry. And market shoots up. Now, I mean, maybe you guys like to drop on lower time frames to try to find, look, tighten up that area. Same thing. Rally. Rally, 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 stop. This is your last selling candle. Boom. Respect, respect, take off. Clean. Now, is it a bummer that my right shoulder didn't, get respected or didn't get, give me an entry? Yeah, but we can see that our starting point definitely got respected, and that's why you test trade. That's why you test trade. Dude, but let's go to the 4-hour time frame real quick. On a Monday range, it's already a 1 to 3. Let's go. Let's see. Nah, bro. Tripping. Your entry's right here on the Monday range.
So come back to that starting point too, though.
Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Let's see. I kind of like the way this looks though. Turn this off. 4-hour time frame. Like a levels is already letting me know this is the left shoulder right here. Already letting me know. But look, let's see. Market's been bullish for a while with the yens, right? And we could even see it. Oh my goodness. Even on the weekly, this is a clean, pretty clean. Inverted. Break a structure, right shoulder, market comes back, and we're literally chilling right here. So that's clean. Super, super clean. Oh wait, my goodness. Hold on. That a break and retest? Oh my goodness. Guys, what am I tell you all the time. Break and retest be getting respected, bro. We're on the weekly. But again, time frame is not an issue, right? It's just easier to see on the weekly. We have lower low, lower high, lower low. Now look at what happens. Market changes character, but with that push, with that rally, boom. Where's our breakout? Right here. Where's our last selling candle before this rally breakout? We have to go ahead and follow this down. Boom, 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 boom. Stop right here. So let's just go ahead. So notice how market doesn't really want to break below, right? But it threw a wick down. So you can even see both of these areas are being pretty well respected, right? Again, this is weekly, but on the daily, same thing. And we can see there's an imbalance right here. Double confirmation for smart money, right? Boom. This is clean. Let's go to 4-hour real quick. Again, so the yens have been pretty bullish. It just, I mean, don't get me wrong, it gave a nice pause, right? It gave a nice pause, but we did get an inverted, right? Inverted play, change of character, right shoulder for the buys, but we do have a pretty looking head and shoulder right here. So again, I see it. I know you guys see it, but I want confirmation first. I want real confirmation. Now we can already see market is playing around, consolidating right now. As of right now, it's just chilling in this zone right now. So we're on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like this is the closest low. Obviously, we can look in the morning. There might be a closer low to it. There hasn't really been a pretty nice pullback. If anything, would need market to drop a little bit, touch. And if you would like, this would be starting point area. You can go ahead and trust that, right? But we can see it's just consolidating right now. So if market wants to go ahead and touch and change character, boom, I wouldn't mind taking break and retest, finding a starting point, or my right shoulder to the downside. And again, that's on either one of these zones. Either one of these. Let's go to the daily real quick. So on the daily, this candle here is my starting point. Let's drop down. You can see there's an imbalance in that as well. So again, this zone, it's pretty big, which is why I want to see a confirmation, right? What is market gonna do? Let it change character. Let's find an area so we can go ahead and sell the market. Let's see. I gotta be real though. Kind of looks like a nice liquidity sweep. Looks like a nice liquidity sweep. Just be careful in these areas. I'm not fully convinced that the yen is ready to drop down. Especially, let's actually look at the yen. I was looking at it the other day, and let's see. So higher time frame, this is the daily. This would be the stop. And we can see market is definitely disrespecting this inverted setup. We had the shoulder right here. We can see market give a play off of it. Let's just go ahead and I can show you guys. Market gave a play, boom, but it didn't want to continue up. Here we see that it's been chilling around the starting point, and we finally broke below, and it's heading down now. So if the yen keeps dropping, then all the yens will continue to rise, which is why I'm not fully convinced that the yens are going to drop. We would need to see a change of character. So again, we're on the daily, so where's my closest pullback? Well, this is pretty ugly, but let's see if we could find it on the line chart. So notice how, I don't even have to copy it. Market drops down, pulls back. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys how to set alerts. Boom. We can see, well, that's a pretty nice break and retest. Respected. Click on this, hit alert. Once per bar close, crossing up. Yen daily. This is daily. Yen daily, change of character. Boom. So now this line is an alert. Let's go ahead and we'll take it off. Boom. So we can even see it touch that area for a nice sell-off, and this would be your starting point technically, right? Super nice, respected, gave a nice drop, which is why I'm not fully convinced the market's ready to reverse yet. This is literally your supply zone, your starting point. Market respected that area and dropped, and it's playing around. So if we can go ahead and disrespect this, let's go ahead, we can delete this. We can go ahead and break above that. Well then, boom, let's go ahead and see if we can go ahead and sell the yens in this area. In this area. Or technically, in this area. There you go. I was like, why does it look different? Right? Does that make sense? Miguel, where you been, bro? Oh, that's nice, Billy.
I've been impacting people, my boy.
That's right, my boy. That's right. You see, guys, take some notes, bro. Take some notes. No, I like this though. I really do. Let's see. You're on the 1 hour. Let's go.
I did like the 4 hour too, bro. It's an order block in the 4 hour, but in the 1 hour I saw that, and it makes more sense because there's like an imbalance that can go fill in it, and it matches with the 1 hour or shoulder.
Yeah, I like this right here too. That's definitely liquidity. Double top in that area. That's definitely some money. I'm just gonna turn this green. That's money. Money, 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 money. Let's go back to the 4 hour real quick. Let's use the fib. I haven't used the fib in a long time, but let's go ahead and use the fib. 886. Talk to me. Talk to me, my boy. Yeah, that's a nice area.
That shit's screaming at us like snipe me.
Exactly. So again, look at how this area is literally right under the 7.79. Right? So again, anywhere in this area is not bad. Not bad at all. It's already in that 79/886 area. Boom. If it changes character right here, let's go ahead and hop in. Right? If it touches this and changes character, even better. Even better. We can have two solid entries. Right? I like this. Especially if we can go ahead and disrespect this area. Let's go ahead. 4 hour time frame. Yeah, I'll show you real quick, Quincy. So let's go ahead. Delete. Yes, delete, delete. All right, Quincy, pay attention, brother. Let's go ahead. My last pullback. Make a line. It could be this line. It could be this line. It doesn't matter. Does not matter. Hit alert right here. Boom. Once per bar close. So as soon as the market breaks and closes above that zone, you will finally have an alert. If it plays around, it's not a regular alert. It's looking for break and closes. So we'll go for break and close, crossing up. And then yen daily change of character. Boom. So now you'll see an alert pop up. Bam. Solid.
And then my question for that, just to clarify, since the yens will be bullish and it's the second pair on all the other pairs, you know, AJ, USDJ, and ZDJ, we want to see those bearish.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Yes. If the yen can go up, then we could look for some possible sells with the yens. Anything with JPY at the end, because the yen will be going up, anything with JPY at the end will be going down. So that's how you can use, you know, the currency in your favor to give you a strong bias. Look at Miguel. Let's go. She, my boy. Dang, who taught you how to trade, bro? Plug in.
I get the
Let's go, baby. Nah, that thing looks clean though. Oh, that's a lot of liquidity to the downside too. Sheesh. Oh, this is just screaming smack me. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So look, check me out. How can we catch a buy to the upside to that? Because that's pretty, that's, you know what I mean? That's some pips right there. That's over 100, right? Over 100 if you can catch an opportunity. Look, notice how this is a BOS continuation to the downside, right? This last buying candle is my starting point. This is my starting point, guys. Boom. That would be my supply. Does market respect and give me a sell opportunity? Yes, it does. Let's just count the pips. It doesn't have to give us 1,000, right? It just gave us 45 pips. Cool, break even, bro. Look, for a confirmation, how do we know that market's going to continue selling right here, guys? This is pretty like an advanced question, but who wants to unmute? How do we know that market's going to continue selling? How can we identify that?
Because it doesn't break a close above that section.
Wait, I'm sorry. We want to continue selling, and we're looking for confirmation to continue selling. So this is our supply, our starting point for sales. It did give us a move, but how can we know that it's really going to continue to the downside?
Because it hasn't broken above and closed. Is that wrong?
Broken above what exactly?
That starting point
This one right
for
here?
buys. Because you're looking, no, you said you're looking for a continuation for sells, correct?
Yes, continuation
That's
sell.
the starting point. So as
Yes.
long as the candlesticks have not gotten above that starting point, then we're still in for sells.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's one good way. Yes. I was totally confused, but yes, you are correct. I'm thinking for our pullbacks. For our pullbacks. This is
I
our
see
one
what you're saying.
This is our 1 hour pullback, right? That's our closest pullback to this entry. So yes, this area did give us some, and now this would be our new supply. You're right. So boom. If market doesn't change character, then we're not going to continue down. So it was literally just playing around in this area, this imbalance, playing around, and then it looks like market wants to continue to the upside. So it's already giving us a possible play right now. Right? Look at how it's consolidating in this area. It swept some liquidity. And all we have to do is wait for it to go ahead and break and close above, which it just did. Notice how it gave me a break and retest. Break, retest. It's in blues right now. I would be looking for this area here. That's my inverted. That's my play. Right? That's my play. Let's delete this. Let's stay clean. We just broke and closed above. Market is telling me, BOS. This is my breakout rally. This is my starting point for buys. I mean, that's also what it tapped when it broke and retested. Market gave us the breakout rally. Break and retest, also your starting point. Market's continuing up right now. Right, so looks like this area has already been touched, right? And again, I would be waiting for my right shoulder because it looks like these areas have been played with already. But we can see it does give you some blues, right? So if we can go ahead and break and close above, boom, it's already telling me. Let's just go ahead and change that because market looks like it wants to break and close above. If we can get that change of character, we have a possible shoulder right here and then an inverted play right here. Let's go. Let's go. I think Richard sent me something. 15-minute. That area wouldn't be. This area wouldn't be a starting point because it doesn't break above anything. It's just a low. But notice how, let's see. Notice how the area above, notice how market comes up. Market comes up, gives me a high. Market drops down. Oops, that's ugly. Market drops down, and now we break above that. Right, so now we have a new starting point, which should be this one right here. Look at how market comes right back in and then continues up. Boom. Right, so it has to break something first. Notice again right here. Market gives us a high. I was basing it off patterns. Apologize. Oh, okay, got you. Got you. Notice how market gives us a high, drops down, we break above that. This last selling candle would be my new starting point for buys. Market comes right in. Oh my God, look at this respect, guys. Shoulder comes in. Change of character. Right? Change of character. Does it give me a right shoulder entry? It doesn't look like it. Right? But let's just clean up. It doesn't look like it. But what is this? Breakout rally. What is this? My new starting point. Gives me some blues. Gives me some blues. So even on the lower time frame, guys, this works. This works. As for buying here, bro, I would wait. I mean, it honestly doesn't look like a good buy to me, personally. Let's see. This is GBP Swiss. Let's just take a look at it real quick. GBP Swiss. GBP. Is that an other? Has to be an other. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. GBP Swiss. No way. This is what it is right here? GBP CHF, right? Am I tripping? 15-minute? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, we're on a daily. I was like, bro, that is not nice. That is not nice. But still, I mean, that's a lot of consolidation in this area. I mean, guys, this is higher time frame consolidation. We go to the 4-hour time frame, it's just chilling. We go to the daily, it's just chilling right now. Look at, it's chilling, and we already know there's an imbalance right here, and there's a right shoulder right here. Right, so I mean, even all of this, I mean, you know, stuff like this, I mean, it happens with some of the slower pairs, and that's okay. That's totally fine. But we just have to get our bag and get out with some of these because of how slow it's moving, and we could already see it's not really breaking through a lot of structure. So we definitely got to catch our bag and get out and make sure we use good money management, right? 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, break even and partial. But let's just see what we can see here. Okay, cool. I mean, I'm definitely seeing right shoulder vibes for the Sal. Definitely seeing that. Saw that right away. Now, I would like to break below this, which it looks like it's going to. Right? So look, now we have 2 possible opportunities. Or 3, but the 2 are near the same one. So notice how we have a right shoulder opportunity right here. And now, if we can get a break below, that's nice. We just got to change a character. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a break and retest, and we can sell the market. Right? And we can sell the market. But look, also notice this. What just happened? Guys, what just happened? This should be in your notes. I hope it's in your notes. I've talked about it twice now. Market gave us some momentum. We had a restart. Market dropped down, gave us some momentum. We had a restart. It looks like if we can get a break and close below here, this candle right here should be your starting point to the downside. Let's go ahead and change this color to black. Yes, sir. Yep. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. That should be how it looks, right? Starting point right here, right where your break and retest is. You're like, hey, it's so close. I'm just gonna wait for the supply, the starting point. Or I'll just wait for the change of character. Boom. Let's go ahead and get in. Whether you get in on the first touch, okay, enough of you. Whether you get in on the first touch here or not, hey, that's okay. I like you. I like whoever test trades, and I like who is ever waiting for the confirmation. We're both in the same boat. Your money's your money. You should trade it however you want to trade it. Right? Does this make sense right here? Nice. Nice. So this is some solid work, honestly. Even the way that it's looking on a higher time frame, I'm liking it. Okay, come on, bro. Let's go down to 1 hour real quick. Oh man, look at that, bro. Shee. Look at that, bro. Market comes up, give us a high, higher low. This right here is our shoulder. Market gives us the head. Now it looks like if we can go ahead and break below this. Actually, where's my lowest wick? Boom. It looks like it's going to break below right now. Right? Looks like it's going to break below. But look, what shot this market down? What shot this market down? Market drops, pulls back, drops lower. This right here would be my supply. Notice, market touches it, plays around, consolidates, touches it again, taking everybody out who was at break even. Change of character. But now we need this candle to break and close below. Need it to break and close, right? We need that. But it looks like it's going to break and close. So I'm just going to talk like it's already happening. But again, please wait. This is our rally breakout. We have 2 minutes till it breaks out. We're on the 1 hour. Look how it's pulling back. 2 minutes till it breaks out. This is our rally breakout, right? That would make this green candle right here our new supply. Notice how that is overlapping with my right shoulder. Yes, sir, it is. Yes, sir, it is nasty. Yup. Just gotta wait. Gotta wait. And again, maybe you don't even touch it. Maybe you're not even, you know what? I see that gap, bro. You know what? I'm gonna wait for the confirmation trade. If it doesn't happen, then it doesn't happen. I'm not even getting in sales yet because I see that gap. I see that gap. Okay, looks like I was correct. Market touches that gap, plays around, closes it, drops down. Make sense, Kyle? Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Let's just take a look real quick. To be honest, I like this area better because all this right here is just liquidity. All this is just money chilling right here. Chilling. Right there. So yeah, I see that gap, but always remember to look at the bigger picture as well. All right, always remember to look at the bigger picture as well. But this is good. I would save this. I would definitely save this and just have an alert set. Back to Miguel because the homie's been dropping. What is this, bro? Oh my goodness. So look, let's just, what is this? The 1 hour? Ooh, this is nice, bro. This is nice. What was that? EURJPY. EURJPY. 1 hour time frame. Oh my goodness. Why isn't no one telling me to look at yens? Oh, we still missed that. Bro, my heart is cold. Damn. Damn, son, where'd you find this? Crazy. We just missed that, bro. I'd be so hurt. I would be so hurt. Insane. Insane. Alright, so you're looking at this, right? You're looking at the one up top. No. Hold up. Okay, hold up. You're looking at this. Okay.
What?
Alright, check me out. We'll do this last example because we already got, it's 9 and I got a leadership call. So this would be my entry, right? This would be my stop. Boom. Looks like it missed me. We could even probably say this one as well, to be honest. I kind of like that. Let me tell you why. Because notice how we get a higher high, higher low, and we never break above. So it's still technically trapped inside that high. Trapped. Shoulder, or I'm sorry, the head. Change of character. Right shoulder, sell opportunity. But again, it's all how you're looking at it. Right? It's all how you're looking at it. Let's go up a time frame real quick. Oh yeah, especially if you look at it at the 4 hour. Oh, you definitely get that. Definitely. Now let's just take a look. Right? Now we have literally two entries in the same area. Notice how we have a high and then we have this wick. So now we would need to break that. Wicks are very important, guys. So boom, we get a rally breakout. This area right here is my supply. This is my starting point. Right on top of each other. Boom. Bang, boom, pow. Market drops. Right? Market drops. Did we change character here? This is the 4 hour. We do not on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, do we? We do not. We do not. So it looks like market is respecting. Again, if we can change character right here, this would be my new sell opportunity. Let's go ahead and move that up just a little bit. What does yours look like? You have that one. We're on the 1 hour. Okay. That's not bad at all either. 2 opportunities. Okay. So check me out. We do have a slight breakout. We do have a slight breakout. So this is going to be an internal starting point. It's relaxing in that area right now, right? It would have to go ahead and break this. Notice how we do have consolidation. We do have consolidation. Chilling, chilling, chilling. Market goes higher. All it has to do is drop below this, retest something, and then drop. So we can go ahead and get that confirmation that we're looking for this area, right? Just keep that in mind, guys. Gotta wait for those confirmations. Bro, you should. You should definitely have an account on the side for callouts. But I like this. And again, if we can go ahead and get this change of character, guys, let's just draw it up real quick. Boom, we got this nice change of character. And it's looking sweet. Let's go, baby. We have 2 opportunities. Now, I know we see this one up top, especially with that imbalance. I see it. It's looking pretty good. We haven't even got a breakout yet, technically, but that's inside the 789 or 79 and 886 area. I mean, we don't have a breakout just yet, but as of what we have right now, it's in that area. So if market comes right back up, maybe we test trade this first zone, maybe we don't. But if it touches, we have to find the closest pullback. It would be this one here. We have to set an alert. Have to set an alert. Must set an alert. Mandatory to set an alert, because if market just touches this imbalance and misses this right shoulder and changes character, you're going to be so upset that you didn't set an alert. And now this right here would be my new entry to sell the market. Does that make sense, everybody? Let me know. Let me know. You can unmute. Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate you, Brody. I appreciate you. Now, I hope I helped everybody today. I try my best to break down the markets as easy as possible. I try not to look for too many, like, I try to just give solid examples. Like, I want to help you guys. This call is strictly meant to help you learn how to find this setup independently, right? I'm going to go ahead and close out the recording.